Welcome everyone to the Amoolah-Keto and Low-Carb channel. Today I'll be making my favorite no-egg, gluten-free keto mini pita bread. So straight into the ingredients, I have 1 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of dried active yeast, and I'm going to place this straight into the food processor. Now I have half a cup of ground chia seed powder and half a teaspoon of salt. And adding to that will be half a cup of gluten flour. Then we will need 1 tablespoon of oat fiber powder. To that we will add 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then using a food processor or mixer, mix the ingredients well. After the initial mixing of the ingredients, we need to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to help to fully combine the ingredients together. And mix the ingredients again. Our dough is now ready. I am going to show you how easy it is to use and shape. I'm going to sprinkle some oat fiber to roll out the dough. As we can see, the dough is easy to roll out and handle and malleable and does not break when handled. I am going to cut out some small circles to make mini pita bread, but of course you can shape the dough to your liking. I am going to place the bread circles onto a baking tray, which has some sprinklings of oat fiber powder. Using this recipe, I ended up with 9 pieces of the mini pita bread circles, and I am going to cover the pieces and place them in a warm area for around 30 minutes. After letting the dough to rest for around 30 minutes, place into the oven at 250 Celsius. After 15 minutes, let's check on the mini pita bread. We can see they have risen. I'm going to take them out of the oven after another 5 minutes. After taking out the mini pita breads out of the oven, they still keep their shape and they're easy to cut open. You can still see how piping hot they are. Perfect for sandwiches. I let the mini pita breads to cool down. As you can still see, they still have that puffed up shape. I also made a baguette using the same dough, just a suggestion. That baguette is also soft and lovely. Any questions, any comments, please leave them below. I will be happy to help. Try it out and let me know. And until next time.